In this video, I'm going to show you how to add funds to Oanda. Now, the first thing you want to do, of course, you want to create a live account by clicking Open Account on oanda.com. And you're going to have to basically create your account, go through the procedure, get verified, etc. And after you do that, you will get your link to be able to go to platform.tmsbrokers.com, and then you'll be able to basically sign in via this window over here. And the credentials for that are going to be sent to your email, and all the info you need is going to be inside that email once you actually create your account. Now, once you do that, to actually add funds, click on Deposit Funds top right. And then here you'll be directed to a separate page where you're going to have to select if you either want a bank transfer or Visa. So here, as you can see, Visa and bank transfer, or of course MasterCard as well. So this is credit or debit card, and this is a bank transfer. And after that, select one, click on Next. And it's going to take you to yet another page where you're basically going to have to put in your email address and password associated with your Oanda TMS account, and then the deposit amount as well. And after you do that, click on Next over here. You're going to basically have to put in a few more things, and of course your card details or your bank info. And after you do that, you'll be able to just deposit money onto your Oanda account. So that's how you do it. I hope this video helped you out. If it did, please subscribe to the channel and help me out as well.